What's up YouTube? Anything Billy here. On today's video, we'll replace front brakes and rear brakes on a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. So let's get started. Like always, the first thing you want to do is take the brake cap off and put a rag over it. That way the air has easier way to escape. When you push in the piston, since we're doing an all-wheel brake job here, we'll put a rag on top in case we overflow it with the brake fluid. So tools you'll need for this job is, for the front, you'll need a 17mm socket and ratchet. For the rear, you'll need a 14mm socket, screwdriver, some type of piston compression tool, and no job is complete without the hammer. So pretty much this is a straightforward brake job. We're doing all four wheels. It's got 68,000 miles on it. So the first time the brake drops are done, there ain't too much for us. Don't see anything really to worry about. But if there is, I will stop and address it. Otherwise, we'll just get all four brake jobs done. So enjoy the music. Alright, so these little pieces right here, they actually go on the outside. So when you put these in here like so, they actually, well now this piece right here goes, this flap goes on here, but that other piece goes on the bottom. Somehow you can work yourself in there, if you can. Yep. Nissan wonderful here. Now this is a different way then. There you go. See? That goes up top. Let's see. Yep, see? That goes up top. That piece goes inside. Nothing too hard. Now let's see if we can do this side over here the same way. That. Down there. Yep. Do this side of the top the same way. Piece of cake. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Told you I stopped if I run into an issue that y'all will need to know. And you just snug them up. And that one's snug. That one's snug. Alright, move on to the passenger side. Alright, we're over here on the passenger side. You do the same thing you did over there. there's the front finish. Now let's move on to the back. Alright, so here we are on the rear brakes. Make sure you switch over from the 17 to the 14 millimeter and we'll replace them just like the front. Any issues, I will stop. Otherwise, enjoy the music. Yep, already onto a problem. I may or may not need that wrench. Hold on. Yep, these are a little tighter, these are a little different. I'm in over here in my box. I don't know why I said over there for it. I may not need it, just hold on a second. I may be able to unscrew this and bend it down. Yep, I'm good, never mind. Alright, so on the back here, if you'd have to take this off in order to replace the rotor, you'd have to get you a wrench because this brace is in the way of a socket and ratchet. But since we're just doing pads, you can take the top bolt out and just lay it down, and you should have plenty of room to work. Always make sure when you put new hardware on there, it's not hitting the rotor. That way you don't go down the highway and it squeaks. So these brake pads only have one squealer, and it's on the other side. So that's why these don't have a piece of squealer sticking out. It's normal. It's okay. Nothing's wrong. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Now, since you're taking this whole entire piece out, if you don't get it dirty, you don't have to put any lubrication on it, or you can. But if you drop it and get dirty, you have to put lubrication on it. But it's got some on it, so it should be fine. Where's my... Alright. Passenger side rear is done. Let's go to the driver's side. Alright, so we're over here on the driver's side rear, just like the passenger side. Sorry about the lighting, but everything's plastic. If I would put a light up, you wouldn't be able to see it. It'd be nothing but a glare. So we're just taking this top bolt out and doing just like we done the other side. That out. Put it over there. Put that down. Make sure you're going slow. For y'all that's been doing it for a long time, I've been doing this for about 15 years straight. It becomes second nature. About like putting on your pants. Let me go find a screwdriver. Well, there's about as good as lighting as I could do. Come on. There we go. Come on. There. Pretty good. Got enough dust on it in here, enough dirt to bury it. Good. Here's the squealer that I'm talking about. We'll go on the bottom and the back. See, the front doesn't have one. There we go. Look at that, nice. Just be careful with this little rubber piece right here that the slide slides in. It's got plenty of grease on it. Slide it in there. Okay. Alright, there you go. Front brakes and rear brakes on the Pathfinder. Now, one thing left to do is put the wheels and tires on it. Then you're ready to take it for a test drive. And the last thing you want to do before you take it on a test drive is to make sure the brake reservoir cap is back on it tight and the brake fluid is full. So welcome back to another test drive on this 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you got all your hands and arms clean, all the dirt off of you. Next thing you want to do, definitely since we're doing a full wheel brake job, to pat the brakes until you get a good hard stiff pedal. Alright. Then let's start her up. Then while you're sitting in the garage, just go ahead and give it a few more pushes, just to be on the safe side. Okay. Let off the parking brake, put it in reverse, and away we go. And just as you're backing out, or going forward, or wherever you're at, just make sure you kind of ease on the brakes a little bit. Make sure it is going to stop before you get out in traffic. Because that's one thing you don't want to do, is get out in traffic and you have no brakes. That would be bad. But like always, what we're wanting to do is wanting to see if we feel any vibrations, either in the pedal or the steering wheel. We also want to see if we hear any kind of squeaking, grinding, flopping. And also want to go down the road to make sure we got the wheels on her tight. That's something else you don't want to happen, is the wheel to fall off going down the road. It has been raining a little bit today, so it'll make the road a little slippier. Just gotta watch even closer. Get up to the speed limit, just kind of hit the brakes. Seem pretty smooth. Don't hear any noises. Don't feel any vibrations besides the road's vibrations. So as I turn back on the road that the shop's on, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. I'm hoping my videos are educational. I hope somebody learns something from them. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell at the bottom of the page so you'll never miss an upload. So until next time, bye now.